Maths might do. We are the children, the children of God. Come, come, come. We change our world. We have what it takes to do it smart and make it smart. Welcome to our Smart Do.
Hello, class 7 pupils. Welcome again to today's lesson. Today we are going to look at averages, and in averages we are going to start with the arithmetic mean. Average, or rather the mean, is the value obtained after adding totals, and you divide adding the totals and you divide by the number of quantities that those have been added. To get the average or the mean, average and the mean, they mean the same. You have to calculate the total, get the sum of the total, then you divide by the number of items or the group of items in that total. Then you are given, for example, work out the mean of the following. You are told to work out the mean of the following. You are given samples like 12, 14. You are given samples like 12, 14, 23, 35, and 2. 23, 35, and 2. Work out the mean of these 12, 14, 23, 35, and 2. I say to get the mean, you first have to add 12 plus 14 plus 23 plus 35 plus 2. Then you divide by the number of items represented. The number of items is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then you divide by 5. This is now the formula for working the mean. Add the totals, then you divide by the number of quantities represented. So the sum of these totals will be 12 plus 14, which is 20, 26 plus 23, which is 49, 49 plus 37, this is 6, this is 8, 86. We've added 12 plus 14, we get 26, 26 plus 23, we get 49, 49 plus 35 plus 2, 35 plus 2 is 37, so we are getting 86. So the mean will be 86 divided by 5. What is 86 divided by 5? You use the long division method. This is 1 because of 5 remainder, 3, 6, 7 because of 35 remainder, 1. So you can say that the mean here will be 17 and 1 over 5, or you can write it as a decimal, which is 17.2. 17.2. To get the mean, you just get the sum of the totals, then you divide by the number of items represented. Then you have another example. I give you another example. The mass of 7 pupils in class 7 is 43 kilograms. The mass of 7 pupils in class 7 is 43 kilograms, 41 kilograms, 43 kilograms, 41 kilograms, 40 kilograms, 43 kilograms, 43 kilograms, 45 kilograms, 42 kilograms, 42 kilograms, and 43 kilograms. What is their mean mass? This is the mass of class 7 pupils. The mass of 7 pupils which are recorded as 43, 41, 40, 43, 45, 42, and 43 kilograms. What was their mean mass? So to get the mean mass, we take 43 plus 41 plus 40 plus 43 plus 45 plus 42 plus 43. Then we divide by the total, which the total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, divided by 7. So we get the sum of these masses. This is 43 plus 41, which is 84. 84 plus 83, which is 167. 167 plus 87. 87, this is 14, 15, 254 plus 43, which is 297. So, to get the average, we get the total, after adding, we get 297 divided by 7, because there are 7 quantities represented. So, divided by 7, we get this is 4 because of 28, remainder 1, drop 7, this is 17, 2 because of 14, remainder 3. So the mean mass was 42 and 3 over 7 kilograms. That is now the mean mass. So to get the mean of certain quantities, you just get the sum, add the totals, then you divide by the number of items represented. That is how we work out the arithmetic mean. Do more examples using the concept that I've just explained, and you'll be able to get the mean. Thank you. 4 kilometers will represent how many centimeters? Will represent 4 kilometers. In other words, to get the drawing length, we take the actual length divided by the scale. We get the actual length, we divide by the scale. In our case, the actual length is 4 kilometers divided by the scale, which is 0.5. The scale is what 1 centimeter will represent. That is what we are calling the scale. So, we multiply by 10, multiply by 10. So, this will be 4 times 10 over 5 by 5, 1 by 5, 2. So, the line will be 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters on the map will be drawn to represent 4 kilometers. So that is how we work out questions involving making scale drawings. Thank you. Dash meters. How many meters are these? Convert 25,000 to meters, centimeters to meters. We divide by 1,000. So it will be 1 centimeter represents 250 meters. We convert the centimeters to meters. So it will be 1 centimeter represents 250 centimeters. This scale can still be written as 1 centimeter represents dash kilometers. Convert 250 meters to kilometers. How do we convert kilometers to meters? Meters to kilometers. We divide it by 1,000. So the scale will be 1 centimeter represents 0.25 kilometers. That is not the scale in linear form. We've gone from ratio to linear scale, and we say we start from the smallest unit, then we go to meters, then to kilometers. So that is how we express scale in linear and in ratio form. Thank you. Volume is given in cubic units. Why cubic? Because we are counting the number of cubes. So the volume of this cuboid will be 36 cubic units. Cubic units meaning it has 36 cubes. So that is how we calculate the volume of cubes and cuboids through piling. Just count the number of layers, then count the number of cubes in one layer, then you add. Thank you.
Raise Lazarus in front of them. In front of them, so that they may believe. So it was a decision that Jesus made to bring back Lazarus in front of everybody by performing the miracle in front of everybody so that they could believe. So therefore, there are many situations that we read in the Bible whereby different people made different decisions depending on the facts and the situation they were in. So therefore, even us, as we move on in life, it is important that we learn how to make good decisions. We come up with good decisions so that what we decide to do does not affect us in the future or in the present that we are living. So let's always ask God to guide us and help us do what is right. Thank you very much for listening. Have a good time. Bye-bye. And what will befall him in case he did anything wrong. So therefore, when we are faced with tough situations, it is always wise
to choose the correct thing. However much pressure might be on us, it is always important that we choose what is right before God. And once you do that, God will always be with you. As we read further on about Joseph, God was there with him throughout his stay, even in prison, and God finally made him a very important person. So therefore, let's always be assertive in what you say, but remember, as you are being assertive, you must do it in a manner that is honest and is not disrespectful to others. Thank you very much for listening. Have a good time. Bye-bye.
Start from the liters side. Any number that remains, convert it to deciliters, multiply by 10 to convert to deciliters. After converting, remember to add this 8 here. Then after adding 8, you work out now 5 divided by 48, you get 9 times. You find that will go 9 times because of 45. Subtract from 48, you get 3. So these are 3 deciliters. Convert those 3 deciliters to milliliters by multiplying by 100. Then after multiply, whatever you are getting, add the 25 which was on the milliliters side, so that you get 325. That is now what we've done on this side. We have divided 325 milliliters divided by 5 to get 65. And that is how we work out multiplication and division. Thank you.